Welcome to my tutorial on configuring VLANs on two Cisco switches and setting up inter-VLAN routing with the router in Cisco Packet Tracer. Today, I'll show you how to configure VLAN 7 and 17 on switch 0 and switch 1. Connect them with the trunk link and set up the router 0. Our topology has router 0 connected to switch 0 via fast Ethernet 0/0. Switch 0 linked to switch 1 via fast Ethernet 0/1, and switch 1 connected to the four PCs, PC0 and PC2 in VLAN 7 with the IPs 10.192.0.66 and 10.192.0.67, and PC1 and PC3 in VLAN 17 with IPs 10.192.0.2 and 10.192.0.3. Let's start with the switch 0. I'll enter the CLI with enable, then configure terminal, and create our VLAN using VLAN 7, name VLAN 7, and VLAN 17, name VLAN 17. Next, I'll set up the trunk to switch 1 on fast Ethernet 0/1 with interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 7 and 17. For management, I'll add an IP with an interface VLAN 1, IP address 10.192.0.252, 255.255.255.0, no shutdown. Now, on switch 1, I'll create the same VLANs, enable, then configure terminal, VLAN 7 name VLAN 7, VLAN 17 name VLAN 17. I'll configure the trunk to switch 0 on fast Ethernet 0/1 with interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 7 and 17. No shutdown. Since PC2 and PC3 are in VLAN 7, I'll assign their ports with interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 7, no shutdown, and interface fast Ethernet 0/2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 7, no shutdown, and for PC1 and PC3 in VLAN 17, I'll use interface fast Ethernet 0/3, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 17, no shutdown, and On router 0, I'll set up the sub-interfaces for inter-VLAN routing, enable configure terminal, then interface fast Ethernet 0/07. Encapsulation .1Q7 IP address 10.192.0.65.255.255.255.192. No shutdown, followed by interface fast Ethernet 0/0.17 encapsulation .1Q17 IP address 10.192.0.1 255.255.255.192. No shutdown. I'll enable the main interface with interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, and save it. To verify, I'll run show VLAN brief on both switches to confirm VLANs. Show interfaces trunk to check the trunk links, and on router 0, show IP interface brief to ensure sub-interfaces.